Hello there, guys. My name is Isak, and I am a generative AI engineer. So I have been exploring some systems from the last couple of months, especially related to AI agents and how do they work and how you can connect it with your systems, external or internal systems like CRMs, databases, or using some external or internal tools uh, in which earlier OpenAI released their real-time function calling capability. But now these days, you can simply integrate several modules with your databases or for your specific niche. Like for example, if your customer wants to know the specific order status or order completion, where the order is currently and how the individual can track um, the order or any use case you have. So the AI agent will be able to answer correctly uh, using the state-of-the-art models like Gamma, Gemini, ChatGPT, and several open source models where they are quite less expensive and less computational expensive using LLAMA. You can run it locally on your GPU or CPU. So coming back towards the demo, so basically it's a POC level based demo where I just recently did some little amount of coding and used Twilio API. So the frameworks which I am going to explain in this specific demo is going to cover, first of all, I used Twilio for the WhatsApp business API, where developer is able to send or receive messages through this framework. Then for the voice capability, I used 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an open source platform where it consists of multiple voice languages, voice models, real-time agents, and other Python SDK, which they uh, give the privileges to the developers to use in any language, in Python and Node.js or whatsoever. Then coming towards the database, so I just created some tables in my Postgres DB to store some information related to um orders. Uh, then the schema and the tables consist of the order status, the completion of the order and the order number, so that I can connect this database with my AI agent. So I will be able to track down and see where my order is and what is the status of my order. So this was all it. But coming towards the LLM, which I have used in this AI agent, is basically LLAMA 7 billion model, which is an open source large language model which allows developers to uh, run this model on your system using OLAMA, and it's a very less computational expensive. So yeah, so coming towards the demo, first of all, I will open my source code and then the UI of my WhatsApp, how the agent is connected between different systems. So let me just get back. So I won't be explaining the source code, but what I will do is I will just give a short demo of how the system works. So here we have the Twilio AI bot, which we set up later on with our Python code running on a specific port in an environment on port 5000. For example, you can set that port to anything you want to, and later on you want to deploy your application on EC2, AWS, GCP, or any instances you want to. But these days you have free cloud services like Vercel or Reddit, and different frameworks you can find out. So that's a debate of how to deploy models or how to deploy your code or a Docker container on different cloud native platform. So what I would do is I would just simply ask, tell me the order status of my order number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now my AI agent will be able to understand what the specific query is about. But deep down, if we go towards the concept of how these LLMs works, is basically the user input which you have sent uh, first get converts into user embeddings. And actually, what embeddings are in the form of numbers which consist of contextual information of user text. For example, I asked, tell me the order number of 1 2 3 5 6 7. So that order number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and the previous tokens will first get converted into numbers, so that um all the large language models are based on specifically transformer based models. So we need to convert our user text into embeddings, and once that embeddings are generated, what we do is we get that user text embeddings in a dimensional space, and the embeddings that are already stored in a database, or for example a model is generating an embedding. So the user text embeddings and the model embeddings will do a cosine similarity search, or do some mathematical similarity search between these embeddings. So this is a basic concept of how LLMs works, but I will not uh, go into a deeper debate in these LLMs, because you can get the overall idea of large language models, specifically how transformers works. You can read the paper of attention is all you need. Currently I tested it for text. Similarly, I can test it for voice capability. So let's see how it responds. If I send voice, it will give me text, and if I send text, it will give me text. But for voice, it will give me text. But for example, if I send a voice, so I want to listen the voice which I integrated in my code. Uh, Specifically mentioning the 11 apps API. So right now I am generating the voice on my local PC, so I'm able to listen to it. But with the passage of time, I will be integrating that voice capability in WhatsApp Studio, so that if I send voice, I will be able to listen to and just like a human generated voice generated by LLaMA Labs backend models. Can you please tell me the order status of 3 4 5 6 7? So this is how it works like, and it's doing the pre-processing, everything. The model understands the context, and the model is able to generate voice. So if we listen to the output, how it looks like. So let's go here. So that's the beauty of AI agents, and the conclusion of this demo is to demonstrate and to show you that you can integrate this in any system you want to, like for CRMs, for different customers, for any customer you want to. So that is all from my side, and inshallah in the upcoming days I will be showing some more demos, some POC level demos, and then we will be developing a business architecture model of the whole architecture. And once it's developed, then I will be delivering it to a client who will test it on premise and on cloud to see how the system works. So thank you very much for your time, and please support, and please do share with your friends and colleagues, those who love AI and wants to learn AI. So you can comment out and share your opinions on this video. Thank you.